Hey there, my friends. Do you ever wake up in the morning feeling like you're dragging a bit? Like your energy just isn't what it used to be? Maybe you're sipping your coffee thinking, how am I going to get through the day? I get it. Mornings can feel tough as we get older, especially after 60. But what if I told you that a few simple tweaks to your morning routine could have you bouncing out of bed with more pep in your step and even add healthier years to your life? It's not about overhauling your entire day or doing anything complicated. It's about small, easy habits that make a big difference. As we age, our bodies need a little extra care to keep our energy up and our health strong. Things like heart health, metabolism, and even how we feel mentally all start with how we kick off our day. That's why I'm so excited to share 6 simple morning habits that can boost your energy, keep you feeling vibrant, and help you live longer and healthier. These are practical steps you can start today. No fancy equipment or hours of time required. We're talking about things like sipping a glass of warm lemon water, doing a quick stretch, or setting yourself up for a great day with a positive mindset. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start your mornings right and feel amazing, inside and out. Let's dive into the first habit to get you started on this energy-packed journey. First up, let's talk about hydrating with a glass of warm lemon water. I know you might be thinking, water, that's it? But hear me out. This one's a game changer. Overnight, your body gets dehydrated, and that can leave you feeling sluggish right from the start. Adding a squeeze of fresh lemon to warm water does more than just wake up your taste buds. It kickstarts your digestion, helps flush out toxins, and gives you a gentle boost of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system and heart health. That little bit of citrus can also help balance your body's pH, which supports your metabolism, key for keeping your energy steady as you age. Plus, it's so refreshing. It's like giving your body a morning hug. Here's how to make it part of your routine. As soon as you get out of bed, heat up some water. Not boiling, just warm enough to feel soothing. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, or even a quarter if you want to start small. Sip it slowly before you have your coffee or breakfast. I started doing this a couple of years ago, and I swear, it's like my body says, all right, let's get moving. My friend Joan, who's 67, was skeptical at first. She's a coffee-first kind of gal, but she tried lemon water for a week and said she felt less bloated and had more energy by mid-morning. It's such an easy habit to add, and all you need is a lemon and a mug. Try it for a few days and see how it feels. Your body will thank you, and it's a simple step toward a longer, healthier life. Now let's move on to the second habit, doing a 10-minute gentle stretch. I know, exercise might sound like a chore, especially first thing in the morning, but this isn't about running a marathon or hitting the gym. It's about gentle movements to wake up your muscles and joints. As we get older, our mobility can take a hit, and stiff joints or tight muscles can sap your energy and make you feel older than you are. Stretching in the morning improves blood flow, loosens you up, and even helps your heart by boosting circulation. It's like oiling a creaky hinge. Suddenly, everything moves a little smoother. You don't need to be a yoga expert for this. Try something simple. Stand up, reach your arms overhead for a full body stretch, then gently bend side to side. Touch your toes, or as close as you can get, to stretch your hamstrings, and do some shoulder rolls to loosen your upper body. If you've got a favorite chair, you can even do seated stretches, like gently twisting your torso or stretching your legs out one at a time. My neighbor Bob, who's 70, started doing a 10-minute stretch routine after his morning coffee, and he says he feels less achy and more ready to tackle his day. You can find free stretching videos online if you want a guide, or just move in a way that feels good. Set a timer for 10 minutes, put on some calm music, and make it a relaxing start to your day. It's amazing how much more alive you'll feel. We're off to a great start with these 2 habits. Lemon water to hydrate and stretch to get your body moving. But there's more to come that'll keep your energy soaring and help you feel younger than ever. Stick with me, because we're about to dive into another simple habit that'll fuel your body and keep your heart happy. All right, my friends, you're doing amazing sticking with me here. We've already kicked off our mornings with a refreshing glass of warm lemon water to hydrate and a quick 10-minute stretch to get our bodies moving. Those two habits alone can make you feel like you're ready to take on the day with a little more zip. But we're not stopping there. Your morning routine is about setting the tone for a vibrant, healthy day. And the next couple of habits are going to supercharge your energy and keep your heart ticking strong. These are simple, practical steps that fit right into your life, no matter how busy your mornings are. Let's dive into the next habit to keep that momentum going. The third habit is all about eating a protein-packed breakfast. Now, I know mornings can be hectic. Maybe you're grabbing a piece of toast or skipping breakfast altogether because you're just not that hungry. But here's the thing. What you eat in the morning sets the stage for your energy levels all day long. As we get older, our metabolism slows down, and our blood sugar can start to swing if we're not careful. A breakfast loaded with carbs like sugary cereal or a plain bagel can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster, leaving you tired and cranky by mid-morning. Protein, on the other hand, keeps your blood sugar steady, fuels your muscles, and gives you lasting energy. It's also great for your heart because it helps you avoid those spikes that can stress your system over time. So, what does a protein-packed breakfast look like? It's easier than you think. Try something like Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Yogurt's got protein, and the berries add a touch of sweetness without overloading on sugar. Or go for a couple of scrambled eggs with some spinach tossed in for extra nutrients. If you're in a rush, a smoothie with a scoop of protein powder, some almond milk, and a banana can be whipped up in minutes. My friend Clara, who's 65, used to start her day with just coffee and a muffin. She said she'd feel sluggish by 10 a.m., but when she switched to a small bowl of oatmeal topped with a hard-boiled egg and a few slices of avocado, she noticed she could keep up with her grandkids without crashing. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just aim for about 15 to 20 grams of protein, which could be 2 eggs or a cup of Greek yogurt. Next time you're planning breakfast, think protein first, and you'll feel the difference all morning long. Now, let's move on to the fourth habit, practicing deep breathing for stress reduction. I know you might be thinking, breathing? I do that all day. But there's something special about taking a few minutes in the morning to breathe with intention. Stress can creep up on us as we age. Maybe it's worrying about health, family, or just the busyness of life. That stress raises cortisol, a hormone that can strain your heart and sap your energy if it's constantly high. Deep breathing is like hitting the reset button for your body and mind. It lowers your heart rate, calms your nervous system, and gets more oxygen flowing, which boosts your energy and supports your overall health. Plus, it's something you can do anywhere. No equipment needed. Here's how to do it. Find a quiet spot, maybe your kitchen table or a comfy chair. Sit up straight, close your eyes if you're comfortable, and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for about 4 seconds. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for just 5 minutes. You can even do it while your coffee's brewing. I started this habit after a friend, George, who's 71, told me it changed his mornings. He used to wake up feeling anxious about the day, but after adding deep breathing, he said he feels calmer and more focused. There are free apps or videos online if you want a guided version, but honestly, just counting your breaths works wonders. Try it tomorrow morning. 5 minutes of slow, deep breaths, and notice how much lighter you feel. We're building a fantastic morning routine here, with protein to fuel your body and deep breathing to calm your mind. But there are a couple more habits coming up that'll take your energy and health to the next level. Stay with me, because we're about to explore another simple way to keep your heart happy and your day full of vitality. All right, my friends, we're in the final stretch, and I'm so thrilled you're here with me. We've already built a fantastic morning routine with warm lemon water to hydrate, gentle stretching to wake up your body, a protein-packed breakfast to fuel your energy, and deep breathing to keep stress at bay. These habits are like little gifts you give yourself each morning, setting you up to feel vibrant and ready for whatever the day brings. But we've got 2 more habits to add to your toolbox, and these are going to take your energy and health to new heights. They're so simple, yet they can make a huge difference in how you feel and how long you stay healthy. Let's jump into the next one. The fifth habit is taking a brisk 15-minute walk. I know you might be thinking, a walk? That sounds too basic. But trust me, a short morning walk is like magic for your body and your heart. As we get older, keeping our circulation strong is key to staying energized and supporting heart health. A brisk walk gets your blood flowing, boosts your metabolism, and even lifts your mood with a dose of fresh air and sunshine. It doesn't have to be intense, just a pace where you're moving a bit faster than a stroll, maybe enough to feel your heart rate pick up a little. Studies show that even 15 minutes of walking a day can lower your risk of heart disease and help you live longer. Plus, it's a great way to clear your head and start the day feeling accomplished. Here's how to make it happen. Lace up some comfortable shoes, step outside, and walk around your neighborhood, a local park, or even a nearby track. If the weather's not great, you can walk in place indoors or pace around your living room while listening to music or a podcast. My friend Margaret, who's 68, started walking 15 minutes every morning after her coffee. She said at first she just went around her block, but now she looks forward to it. She even waves to neighbors and feels more connected to her community. If mobility is a concern, you can use a cane or walker, or even try a seated exercise routine that mimics walking movements. The key is to get moving for 15 minutes. Try it this week, maybe tomorrow morning, and see how much more alive you feel by the time you're back home. Now, let's wrap up with the sixth habit, setting a daily intention. This one's all about your mindset, and it's such a powerful way to boost your energy and keep you motivated. Starting your day with a clear, positive focus can make everything feel more manageable. Whether it's tackling a chore, spending time with family, or just enjoying a quiet moment, setting an intention is like giving yourself a little pep talk. It helps you stay grounded and reminds you that you're in charge of your day. It's also great for your heart because a positive outlook can lower stress, and less stress means less strain on your ticker. This habit takes just a minute but can set the tone for hours of feeling good. Here's how to do it. After your walk or during a quiet moment in the morning, take a deep breath and think about one thing you want to focus on today. It could be something like, I'm going to smile more today, or I'll take things one step at a time and stay calm. Write it down if you like, or just say it to yourself. I started doing this after my friend Ed, who's 73, shared how it changed his mornings. He used to wake up worrying about his to-do list, but now he sets an intention like, I'm going to enjoy my time with my grandkids today. And he says it makes him feel lighter and more energized. Try it tomorrow. Pick one positive thought to guide your day and notice how it shifts your mood. Let's take a moment to think about what we've covered. These 6 habits: sipping warm lemon water, doing a quick stretch, eating a protein-packed breakfast, practicing deep breathing, taking a brisk walk, and setting a daily intention are all about starting your day with energy and care for your body and mind. They're simple, doable steps that fit into any morning, whether you're super busy or taking it slow. You don't have to do them all at once. Maybe start with 1 or 2, like lemon water and a walk, and build from there. These little changes add up, helping you feel stronger, happier, and ready to live your best life for years to come. I'd love to hear from you. What's one morning habit you're excited to try? Maybe you've already got a routine that gives you energy. Share it in the comments below to inspire others. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips to stay healthy and vibrant. Here's to starting your mornings right and living longer, stronger, and happier at any age.